Welcome to BusyBooks. In this video, we will show you how to create a payment voucher. Voucher for all payments other than vendor payments. How to create a new payment voucher. To begin, head to Vouchers under the Accounting tab. Now click on New Payment. Enter the necessary details, including date, party name, cash or bank account, and ledger. Enter the required amount. Now to save the payment, click on Save Changes. Your payment voucher is now created. How to print the payment voucher. Now to print the voucher, go to Vouchers and choose the payment voucher that you want to print. Click on the plus button. Now click on the print icon. Choose your printer and click on Print. How to edit or delete a payment voucher. Go to Vouchers and choose the payment voucher that you want to edit. Click on the plus button. Now click on the Edit icon. Edit the required details. Click on Save Changes. And now to delete the voucher, click on the Delete icon. And you are done. Thank you for watching.